Assalamu alaikum students. I'm recording this video to explain you this tough question of trigonometry. Because if we do this, many, the misconceptions which normally the students have on 3D trigonometry can be, inshallah, easily cleared. So let's start, guys. This question. What are the things given to us? If you see the height of the pyramid is given to us, which is 9. Okay, done. He gave us the length. So if this is the length 8, so this is also 8, right? I can say 8. So I can also draw this. So this is 4, this is 4, twice. This is 4 and this is 4. Maybe we would need it because he said n is the midpoint. So if n is the midpoint, that should be 3. This is 3, this is 3, and this is 3. Done. Another thing, if you join p with n, you will get a 90-degree triangle here because it is an isosceles triangle. These sides are all same. Clear? So PB side, this PB side, this PC side, this PA side, this PD side, they all have same lengths. So if all they have all same length, then it would be easier for us to find so many informations if it requires to us. Clear? What else I can tell you? We can consider lots of right angle triangles in this pyramid. So let's start this question. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. So the first question is, he said that you need to find angle PNM. So PNM, this angle is required. So we need to complete a right angle triangle here by using our ruler. So let me draw here, guys. I'm gonna draw this, and I'm joining M with N, right? So S by for our knowledge, which we already have, that M is the midpoint, so it cuts the AB side, which is 8, into 4. So this is 4 centimeters, 9 and 4. So I can easily find this angle by using SOHCAHTOA because this is opposite and this is adjacent for me. So I'm going to write simple tan of x, suppose it is equals to 9 over 4, opposite over adjacent. So I'm going to write here shift tan of 9 over 4, and the shift tan of 9 over 4 will give us 60.66.0 degree to the 1 decimal place. So first part was simple. There is no any objection on it. Now let me erase. Now he says show that BM is 5. So imagine, boys, I want to show BM is this BM. This BM is 5. You remember we drew a triangle. So let me again join B and M. Do you know that this is also a right angle triangle here? So this was 3, this was 4, and this is a right angle triangle. Clear? So in front of this 90-degree, we have hypotenuse. So I can easily use Pythagoras. So 4 square plus 3 square, which will give you 5. And this is the thing which I want to prove. So you need to write only a big square root, 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is 25. And this side is equal to 5. So we found the BM side, 5. Let's go to the next question. He said, find the angle between PB and ABCD. Find the angle between PB, this is your boys PB, and the angle between the PB between ABCD. So basically, when you want to find the angle between the side and the plane, you need to project the PB line on the plane where you want to find the angle. So this is the projection of PB on the plane ABCD. So you need to find this angle. Again, my friend, you will say, this is a right angle triangle. Which right angle triangle I'm talking about? I'm talking about this right angle triangle. And just a moment ago, he has made us to find 5. The BM was 5 and this is 9. So imagine again, we have opposite and adjacent and we want to find x. So tan of x, or you call it y basically, because we already used x. So we can call it as y. So tan of y is equal to 9 over 5. Now I will write y is equal to shift tan of 9 over 5. So what is the answer? We got it. We got it 60.9, 1 dB. Up till now, I think the question is quite simple. Now we got to go to the fourth part. And the fourth part, he said, there is a point x on PC such that px is 7.5. So this point is here, and this distance is 7.5. He wants the distance bx. This distance is required by him. So how can I get it? It is quite easier for you guys. First, we need to find the the site PC. Is it possible for us to find any? You remember in the previous part we have drawn this line, okay, and we remember that this is 3 and this is 90 degrees. Is it possible for us to find the side PC? It is possible. You remember that. Let me erase everything. And I want to show you what I want. This is X, and he said this is 7.5 centimeter. To get this BX, I have to gone through with many phases. What is the first step? First step is this is 9 and this is 5. This is 9 and this is 5. I can easily find the PC side by using Pythagoras. So 9 squared plus 5 squared, right? So this will help us to find the PC side. And from PC, we will subtract 7.5. It will give us 2.796. Now, once we find XC, we already have this side, we already have this side. Do we have the angle between them? So I think angle is not a big deal. Angle, we can easily find it by using the trigonometry. Do we have any triangle here? So let me explain it to you which triangle we can use to find this angle. In the first part we drew PN line. Now we can easily find this angle. This is 3, clear? And the big side was 10.296. So I can use cosine of this angle Z. It will give us cosine of Z is equal to 3 over 10.296. The answer comes to us 73.06. Now imagine, guys, I got this 70.3.06. I have the arm, these two arms, I have the angle. So use the cosine rule to find the opposite. So this is the scheme which we need to follow to solve this question. Now let me make the question neat for you. There is a point X here. You want to find the side BX. He gave you this one 7.5. Step number 1. Step number 1, boys, you will find the PC side. The PC side is equals to, you use this is 9 and this is 5. So 9 square plus 5 square, that gives you the answer 10.296. Write it more significant figures. Okay, PC is done. Now find XC. So XC is from the total 10.296, you subtract 7.5, the answer comes to you 2.796 centimeters to the four significant figures. Okay, got it. Now I need this angle Z. For this, I need to focus on the triangle PNC, which is a right angle triangle. And you remember this is 3. So for this, I have to find the angle Z. I have the PC given to me, which was 10.296. 10.296. So I use 10.296 and 3 to get the angle Z. So Z, cosine of Z gives me 3 adjacent over hypotenuse 10.296. I got this angle 73.06. Now, after finding this angle, after finding 73.06, I'm ready to find the side BC. Since XC side is known to me, BC side is known to me, and the angle is known to me. So I will use the cosine rule. That is the last step. The last step is I will write the side 6 squared plus 2.796 squared minus 2 times 6 times 2.796 times cosine of the angle between the two sides is 73.06, and then it gives us 5.83 centimeters. That's the final answer which will come to us. Thank you, guys.